machine learning and big data shaping the future. From data science to artificial intelligence, predictive analytics to deep learning, the synergy between these two technologies is reshaping the future of technology and driving unprecedented advancements in how we leverage and analyze data. The role of advanced algorithms in technology trends. These algorithms have the power to unlock the potential of massive data sets, enabling businesses to extract valuable insights and make data-driven decisions with precision and efficiency. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as neural networks and deep learning, organizations can harness the power of data to drive innovation and stay ahead of the competition. The impact of machine intelligence on automation. Machine intelligence, powered by the combination of machine learning and big data, is revolutionizing automation in various industries. From pattern recognition to business intelligence, this technology is enabling organizations to automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and optimize operations. By leveraging machine intelligence, businesses can drive efficiency, improve productivity, and achieve scalable solutions that pave the way for future growth and success. Emerging trends in data science and technology. From cloud computing to data mining, statistical modeling to data visualization, these emerging trends are redefining how businesses approach data-driven decisions and insights. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for innovation and transformation are limitless, opening up new opportunities for organizations to leverage the power of data in unprecedented ways. The importance of data infrastructure in future insights. From real-time analytics to smart technology, organizations need to invest in scalable data infrastructure that can support the growing demands of data processing and analysis. By building a solid foundation for data storage, retrieval, and analysis, businesses can access valuable insights, drive innovation, and stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Transformative technologies for the future. From the Internet of Things to cognitive computing, algorithmic modeling to machine vision, these technologies will power the next wave of innovation and drive new levels of efficiency and productivity. By embracing these transformative technologies, organizations can unlock new opportunities, drive growth, and stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. Conclusion. In conclusion, the intersection of machine learning and big data is shaping the future of technology by driving innovation, automation, and digital transformation.